Hey guys, welcome back to my Facebook page, and for today's video we will be trying the persimmon leaf sushi for the first time. Yes! So basically itong sushi ito nakabalot siya sa dahon ng persimmon. So magti-takeaway tayo and let's see if it tastes better. Apparently, the persimmon leaves are used not just for wrapping but also for their antibacterial and antioxidant properties which help preserve the sushi and add a subtle flavor. Try natin itong salmon flavor. Ayan guys, apakasarap. In fairness, talaga naman kakaiba siya. Kaya kung ikaw ay nandito sa Nara, try mo itong persimmon leaf sushi. Oo. Ayan, ayoko na mamigay sa sobrang sarap. Kaya guys, try this and see you next time!